Why do 90% of people say bless you after a sneeze? Turns out it's not because your heart stops completely. Yep, that's a myth. When you sneeze, there's a teeny tiny chance your heart might slow down or skip a beat. But don't worry, it's not dangerous. The real reason we say bless you dates back to ancient times. During the bubonic plague, sneezing was considered an early sign of illness. Saying bless you was a way to offer a quick prayer for the person's health. Cool, right? So next time someone sneezes, you'll know. It's all about good vibes and ancient traditions. Keep those curious minds buzzing.